if you have flat hair, you may be getting the wrong haircut. I'm going to show you the one type of haircut shape that is going to stop having your hair flat. So when you think about flat hair, a lot of times it does come down to the haircut itself. Also, haircut shapes. Don't even think about the face shape. We're talking about pure haircut shapes and why your hair is falling flat. If you have a haircut that is very boxy, like this, meaning that the corners, which is this part of the head right here, if that is not layered properly, more square, then all of this hair in here is going to travel outwards and then make the hair lay flat. If you have more of a triangular shape, where it's going shorter to longer, you may be able to get some volume, but the hair is going to taper down and lay a bit flatter down through here. Think about this. Hair grows where from the head? It grows out from the head. So if you want to have a haircut that is going to give you more volume and not be so flat, the best approach is to have a haircut like this, which is all cut out from the head. Or what a lot of us professionals refer to as more of a rounded shape. I tend to think more out from the head. And then you can customize how you want it to look as far as the shape of itself. But when you're cutting out from the head, you're following the natural growth pattern. What that does, think about this. When you go against the grain, if you're shaving or whatever it is you're doing, if you're going against it, it's going to do the opposite, right? So you're going to have more irritation, or it's not going to lay properly if you're going against how your hair naturally grows. So in order to get the proper haircut, this goes for men's hair, women's hair, it doesn't matter. And if you're trying to get more volume in the haircut itself, then you need to make sure you have the right shape, the right haircut shape. If you are confused with what haircut shapes are, I made a very simplified downloadable PDF ebook, which you can see right in through here. One is for men's hair and one's for women's hair, about haircut shapes, what they are, and the best types of haircuts for your face shape with those. So it's, they're very inexpensive. They're downloadable PDF ebooks. It's going to give you just a simplified breakdown, but they're going to be very, very helpful. And again, it's like $9.99. So now keep in mind that the haircut shape, the haircut itself, is only going to do so much. I've always been under the way I've cut hair is that I want the haircut to do most of the work. And that's the difference between a good haircut. If you're going home and you're trying to style your hair and it's just falling flat, chances are it could be the haircut itself. It could also be your styling methods. So the styling tools, the styling products, those are all designed to help support the haircut. That's why I have suggested and use a variety of products. Like, for example, for this haircut right here, I would tend to use something like a sea salt spray. This is Tidal Wave sea salt spray. So what I would do is just, I can do this in a variety of ways. I can do this when the hair is damp. I can spray a few sprays, not a lot. You don't want to overspray this because it's performance-based. So you're getting a lot of value, and it's working with only 2 to maybe 4 sprays max. Unlike other products, you have to spray 15 times for it to even do anything because it's just conditioned water. So in a situation like this, let's just say your hair is flat. You have the right haircut. You're like, okay, what do I do? My hair's laying flat. You want to get more volume. You don't want to wash your hair. You can utilize this as like a dry shampoo, but also to revitalize that volume, because guess what? The shape is there from the haircut. If you don't have the right haircut shape, you can't do this that easily. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray 1 spritz, 2 spritzes, 3 spritzes, 4 spritzes. I'm just covering the entire spectrum. Let that product settle onto the hair. It's got a really nice, summery fragrance to it. This is a customized product made in the USA, and this is something that I like to use like this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to scrunch this hair, and as the hair is being worked like this, also depending on how maybe the last time you washed your hair, this actually soaks up oils, so it's going to act like a dry shampoo in a way. So just by me scrunching this in, what's happening is I'm getting that light volume, I'm getting that light texture, and you could see it's allowing me to support that style with the volume. And then you can literally just go like this and keep scrunching and keep working. This is a product that you work into the hair, right? So you want to go from underneath. The volume comes from the root. And you could see within just a few seconds, I'm getting a lot more of that volume and that shape. And the haircut is complementing that. You can see it's a fully more rounded, voluminous shape because I followed that pattern. If you are someone, if you're a hair professional watching this, this is essential to know when it comes to cutting your client's hair. You need to understand what types of haircut shapes are going to give that volume. It's really, really important. If you're a client watching this and you're like, I don't have a haircut like that. Yeah, my stylist or my barber, they just cut it and I don't even think about that. Well, you need to pay close attention because you deserve a better haircut. You deserve the haircut that's going to give you the volume. So if your hair's always falling flat, you seem to be having issues, most of the time it's going to be a haircut related issue. And then if you go back to them and go, the haircut's fine, then it's your styling techniques and the products you're using. So if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments below, and I hope you enjoy this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.